Hello everyone. Welcome to Downtime Labs YouTube channel. Today we will learn steps to integrate Jmeter with Azure Appinsights. To publish our test result on Azure Appinsights, we have Azure Backend Listener client in Jmeter. Let's start. Step 1. I am considering my viewer must have Java and Jmeter installed in their system. Step 2. We have to download jar file from link which I have shared in the description. Move the jar file inside the Jmeter lib.ext directories. Step 3. Now we have to add backend listener in our test plans. To make Jmeter send test result metrics to your Azure Application Insights instance, in your test plan, right-click Thread Group, then click on Add, then select Listener and then Add Backend Listener and choose io.github.adriano.jmeter.backendlistener.azure.azure backend client from the Backend Listener implementation drop-down list. Step 4. Now we have to configure our Jmeter backend listener. Instrumentation key. The instrumentation key of your application insights instance. Test name. Name of the test. We can give any name. This will help us to differentiate metrics across test runs in application insights and allow you to filter them. Live metrics. Boolean to indicate whether we want real-time metrics are enabled and available in the live metrics stream or not. Defaults is true. Step 4. Run Jmeter test. Azure backend listener which we have added will start publishing metrics, which will be collected by application insights under the requests, with the name which we have provided. Step 5. To check published result in Appinsights. We have to go in our Azure portal application insights monitoring section and select logs, and then check requests to browse the metrics sent by Jmeter. Step 6. We can also create custom charts to visualize our metrics using KQL Query depicts the request's duration during the test run. Adjust the time range to include our test duration metrics. Please refer some sample KQL on screen for your reference. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel for more update on performance testing and performance engineering. Hello.